Opposition leader Nelson Chamisa has hinted at a major political comeback, declaring that his supporters will never be disappointed as he prepares for what he describes as a bigger task ahead. Sanapenda mashoko kubuda pangwa inoi, Nelson Chamisa actually a bold promise. Pangwa inoi, achi gear up for a political comeback. Sanapenda mashoko mdanyo kwa pana pando kwa subscribe or like or turn the bell icon. Tipina mnauzira mdanyo kwa mchinzi. In a cryptic but confident tweet posted Monday evening, Chamisa said, "It has been a busy July, preparing for the bigger task ahead. You will never be disappointed." The statement has sent social media into overdrive, with many of his loyal supporters interpreting it as a clear sign that Chamisa is plotting a return to frontline politics following months of political silence and speculation. Chamisa, who broke away from the Citizen Coalition for Change (CCC) earlier this year amid internal power struggles, has been laying low while reportedly reorganizing and consulting with key allies across the country. His latest message comes as the political temperature in Zimbabwe begins to rise ahead of expected electoral and constitutional developments. Political observers say the tweet is part of a broader strategy to re-energize his base and reclaim political relevance after a turbulent first half of the year. Chamisa is known for using subtle cues to mobilize his supporters, said a political analyst. This tweet may be short, but its message is loud. It's a promise of action and a reassurance to those who feel politically orphaned. While Chamisa did not reveal specific details about the bigger task, insiders suggest he could be preparing to launch a new political movement or to rebrand his campaign platform, especially with the talk of constitutional amendment and a possible third-term bid by President Chamisa dominating political discourse. As the speculation mounts, all eyes will be on Nelson Chamisa's next move and whether he can deliver on his bold promise that Zimbabwe will never be disappointed. Toma shoka aripo pangwa inoi. Mbuti za mafundo enyu moti kudipa mzuri pechitiko ichi. Pinako message chemedu za mafundo enyu. Subscribe or like, share on the bell icon.